Hello and welcome to the Money Control Political Wrap. Here are the top headlines of the day. India bloc MPs protest in Parliament over discrimination against opposition ruled states in Union budget. MSP can be implemented, will pressurize Modi government, says Rahul Gandhi after meeting farmer leaders. Political tussle in UP escalates. BJP allies rally behind Deputy CM Keshav Maurya. Why did BJP treat Bihar, Andhra Pradesh and Odisha differently before April 2024? Questions P. Chidambaram in Rajya Sabha. Maratha quota activist Manoj Jarange suspends hunger strike amid health concerns. So let's dive more into the details of these updates. The India bloc staged a protest in parliament premises over alleged discrimination against opposition-ruled states in the union budget. Congress chief ministers will also be boycotting the Niti Aayog meeting scheduled for July 27, which will be chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi, Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge and several other leaders from TMC, Samajwadi Party, DMK and the left joined the protest held on the steps leading up to the Makar Dwar of Parliament. The MPs raised placards such as "We want India budget, not NDA budget" and "NDA betrays India in budget." Leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha Rahul Gandhi on Wednesday said that the India bloc will put pressure on the government and ensure that the farmers get a legal guarantee for minimum support price. His remarks came after he met with a 12-member delegation of farmer leaders from different states who apprised him of different issues they have been facing. The delegation of farmer leaders from Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka apprised Gandhi of the issues being faced by the tillers. Political tensions in Uttar Pradesh are intensifying, with signs of factionalism emerging. BJP allies and government ministers have been demonstrating their support for Deputy CM Keshav Maurya, signalling a show of strength amidst the ongoing power struggle between the government and the party organisation. Cabinet Minister Sanjay Nishad met with Maurya on July 23rd, marking his second meeting in 10 days. This meeting is seen as part of a broader mobilization effort within political circles. Partaking in the discussion on the union budget today in Rajya Sabha, a day after the presentation of the annual financial statement, Congress leader P. Chidambaram questioned the Bharatiya Janata Party over its changing treatment towards Bihar, Andhra Pradesh and Odisha. The former finance minister pointed out that the pre-April 2024, the BJP has refrained from acting upon the demands made by these three states. However, the party changed its approach immediately during the recently concluded parliamentary polls. Maratha reservation activist Manoj Jarange Patil ended his hunger strike on the fifth day, citing health concerns and pressure from his supporters. It was his fourth such fast in a span of a year. This time, his demand is to extend the reservation benefits to the blood relatives of those people within the OBC quota who have been found eligible to avail the reservation benefits. Although the Shinde government announced a 10% independent reservation to the Marathas by calling a special legislative session, yet Jarange Patil is not satisfied.